Finding the best wire cutter can make a world of difference when tackling electrical projects or DIY tasks. A high-quality cutter ensures precision, ease of use, and durability, saving you time and effort. In this video, we'll explore some of the top contenders in the market, highlighting their unique features and performance. Let's dive in and find the perfect tool to elevate your wire cutting experience. GAN 170 Wire Cutter. The IGAN 170 wire cutters are an excellent choice for anyone seeking precision and durability in their cutting tool. Featuring an 11mm long heat-treated carbon steel jaw, these cutters deliver sharp and clean cuts, making them ideal for electronics, jewelry making, and other fine cutting needs. The angled head design helps access tight spaces, and the compact ergonomic body ensures comfort during extended use. These cutters excel in cutting small wire, tie wraps, beading wire, and zip ties with ease, delivering the precision required for delicate tasks. The thermoplastic elastomer grip provides a soft, rubber-like feel, making them comfortable to use for long hours without slipping. The built-in spring mechanism ensures smooth operation with less effort, making these cutters perfect for precise, repetitive work. However, it's important to note that these cutters are not suitable for cutting larger or harder wires, so it's best to stick with softer material. They are a fantastic addition to any toolkit for those focused on fine, delicate tasks. Whether you're working on small electrical projects, jewelry making, or even cutting plastic and thin cables, the IGAN 170 wire cutters offer great value. With over 9,600 positive reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, they are a dependable and efficient choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. IRWIN VISE-GRIP Wire Cutter. The IRWIN VISE-GRIP wire stripper strikes an impressive balance of durability, comfort, and versatility, making it a top pick for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to handle wire stripping, cutting, and crimping with ease, it accommodates wires from 10 to 22 AWG, providing flexibility for a range of electrical tasks. The tool's Pliers-style nose allows for smooth wire pulling and looping, while its built-in bolt cutter makes quick work of cutting bolts to size with a clean lead thread. What sets this wire stripper apart is its ergonomic Pro Touch grips, which ensure maximum comfort during long working sessions. The Pro Touch handle reduces hand fatigue and offers a firm grip, making it easier to tackle tough tasks without compromising on control. Its induction-hardened cutting edges stay sharp longer, ensuring precise cuts every time. Perfect for a variety of applications from electrical work to jewelry making, the IRWIN VISE-GRIP multi-tool wire stripper delivers consistent performance at an affordable price. Whether you're stripping wire, crimping terminals, or cutting bolts, this tool gets the job done with ease and efficiency. With its solid build, comfortable grip, and versatile functionality, it's a must-have in any toolbox. Klein Tools Side Cutting Pliers. The Klein Tools side cutting pliers are a must-have for anyone who needs precision, strength, and durability in their tools. Featuring a high-leverage design, these pliers provide 36% more cutting power, making light work of tougher wires. Whether you're working with electrical wiring or tackling DIY projects, these pliers offer the force and control you need to get the job done efficiently. The short jaws and beveled cutting edges ensure close, clean cuts every time, while the hot riveted joint provides smooth operation without handle wobble. This means you can rely on the pliers for consistent performance throughout your task. Made with induction-hardened cutting knives, these pliers are built to last, offering extended tool life even with frequent use. Comfort is another standout feature thanks to the plastic-dipped handles that provide a secure grip and easy identification. No matter how long the job takes, your hands will stay comfortable as you work. Ideal for wire cutting and general use, the Klein Tools side cutting pliers are versatile, well-crafted, and designed for high performance. Made in the USA, these pliers represent the best of American craftsmanship, combining durability and functionality into one reliable tool. While they might come at a slightly higher price, the quality and power they deliver make them well worth the investment. If you're serious about your work and want a tool that can handle the demands of any task, the Klein Tools 6-inch high-leverage side-cutting pliers are the right choice. KNIPEX diagonal cutters. The KNIPEX diagonal cutters are the go-to choice for professionals seeking precision and durability in their cutting tools. These cutters stand out with their high-leverage design, offering up to a 20% reduction in hand force, making them easier to use during prolonged tasks without sacrificing performance. Crafted from chrome vanadium heavy-duty steel, They are forged and oil-hardened, ensuring long-lasting durability even under tough conditions. With a cutting capacity of up to 11 64-inch medium hard wire and 7 64-inch piano wire, the KNIPEX cutters are versatile enough to handle a variety of materials, from soft copper and aluminum to hardened wires like nails and piano wire. The precision induction-hardened cutting edges ensure clean and precise cuts every time, while the fixed forged axle rivet guarantees smooth operation and no wobbling, even with heavy use. The ergonomic insulated handles, designed for comfort, meet VDE standards, providing protection against electric shocks up to 1,000 volts, making these cutters ideal for service fields where electrical safety is paramount. Weighing 10.9 ounces and measuring 8 inches in length, they are compact yet powerful. Klein Tools 11063W. This Klein Tools wire stripper and cutter delivers an exceptional blend of performance and convenience, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its automatic compound action design, this tool effortlessly strips and cuts 8 to 20 American wire gauge solid and 10 to 22 American wire gauge stranded wire, ensuring a precise and clean cut every time. Its precision-machined stripping holes allow for efficient removal of insulation without damaging the wire, making it ideal for a variety of electrical tasks. What sets the 11063 West apart is its ergonomic design, which reduces hand fatigue. The tool's cast alloy chassis and heavy-duty EcoAt finish provide durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring it withstands the rigors of frequent use. Its unique tension-loaded wire grip holds cables firmly in place, preserving their geometry while stripping and cutting, offering a smooth and efficient operation. Though slightly larger than some competitors, the 11063W's solid build, combined with its user-friendly features, makes it a top choice for those seeking a reliable, long-lasting wire stripper. Its ability to handle a wide range of wire gauges and deliver high-performance results, coupled with the ease of use, positions it as a must-have tool for anyone working with electrical wiring.